Hi, today it's Marisa from Oasis, but you can't actually see me. Today I'm going to be videoing how to make a recycled plant pot. Here I'm showing you the final object that we're looking to make, and I've made this one out of paper, right? Just a bit of recycled paper, right? But you can also make them out of newspaper. And the added bonus about these things is once it's full with soil and your plant starts to grow, you can put it straight into the ground. So we're going to get our volunteer to help us make the plant pot. Let's go. We take a piece of paper about that width, and we're going to roll up the paper right to the end. Okay, that's it. And then we're grabbing some sellotape, and we're going to secure the sides. At the top, maybe one in the middle. Doesn't matter if it's a bit baggy, it's perfect. Good idea with these things, and can be as rough as possible. And our volunteer today is quite young, so he's managing to do it. How old is our volunteer? Oh,
7.
There he is. He's 7. Fantastic. Right now, Lyndon, what do you do next?
So next you get the end and you fold it in half. Fold it in half. Fold it in half. Fold it in half. So you have a sturdy base.
Is that going to be the bottom of the pot, Lyndon?
Yes, it is.
Okay, putting on its end, nice.
Then you could either do this on the table, which I'm doing, or on your lap, like this.
Oh, Lyndon's showing us. He's going down to do it on his lap. I guess so you can also do this with newspaper. Okay, great. Is that nice and secure, Lyndon?
I think we need one more.
Okay, perfect.
To go there.
Lovely. Now what do we do?
Once you've done this, you kind of just go hand around it and pull it out, and you've got a pot. Put some soil in it, seeds, and then let it grow, and then you can plop it in the pot.
So do you have to put it straight in this? Do you have to take the plant out of the pot to put in the soil, Lyndon, or can you put the whole thing straight in the ground?
No, you basically just dig a hole, you put the pot in, cover the sides, and then just let it grow.
Perfect. Thank you for helping us today. I hope you enjoy your gardening. Bye.